Ready? Start. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led government will replace the country's flagship job scheme, the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005 MGNREGA with Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajeevika Mission Gramin Bill 2025. Stop para. The legislation will establish a rural development framework aligned with the national vision of Viksit Bharat 2047, by providing a statutory guarantee of 125 days of wage employment in every financial year to every rural household whose adult members volunteer to undertake unskilled manual work, to promote empowerment, growth, convergence and saturation for a prosperous and resilient rural Bharat. Stop para. The new program, which will provide 125 days of unskilled manual labor, will focus on employment, growth, convergence and saturation through public works, aggregating into forming Viksit Bharat National Rural Infrastructure Stack, with a thematic focus on water security through water-related works, core rural infrastructure, livelihood-related infrastructure, and special works to mitigate extreme weather events. Stop para. The Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajeevika Mission Gramin Bill 2025 entails a higher spending by the state governments. Stop. While the scheme shall be implemented as a centrally sponsored scheme, the fund sharing pattern between the central government and the state governments shall be 90-10 for the northeastern states, Haryana, Himalayan states and Union Territory, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir, and 60-40 for all other states and Union Territories with legislature. Stop. Para. The central government will also form a national level steering committee to recommend decisions relating to normative allocations to states and to advise on matters requiring interministerial consultation, including convergence framework, and to provide high level oversight for the effective implementation of this act. Stop. The states too, will have steering committees. Stop. The scheme allows the panchayats at the district, intermediate and village levels to be the principal authorities for planning, implementation and monitoring of the scheme made under this act, and district program coordinations will be appointed for the implementation of the scheme.